Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be playing Bed Wars, but I got a new keyboard. So I have wanted a new keyboard for so long. Like, don't get me wrong, I love my keyboard, but the thing is, it's literally so obnoxiously loud. Like, if you've heard in my ASMR, I've had to turn down my volume because of how loud it is. Like, honestly, sometimes whenever I'm talking, it goes over my voice. I don't know if you heard it because it's like, I try to keep my microphone far away from it, but if I do, it's literally extremely loud. So I'm like so glad because blue switches are the loudest. Whenever I got that keyboard, I had no idea what any type of switches were. Thought I hit them off. And now this new keyboard has red switches, which are my dream switches after I did like a lot of research and stuff. And so fun fact, this is actually the exact same keyboard that I have, but the thing is, it's first of all, it's in black, which they made the black version cheaper, and it has red switches. So here's a little sound comparison. My other keyboard, the blue switch keyboard, is pretty far away from my mic, but this is just for sound. So listen. Okay, this is the blue switch keyboard, and this is the black keyboard, the red switch keyboard. If you can hear it, literally sounds so much nicer. Like, not only is it quiet, but just the sound in general is like, it's so satisfying. This is like precisely the keyboard that I wanted. But the thing is, whenever I got this keyboard, they weren't making it in red switches. So whenever I found that out, I was like really sad. I mean, it didn't matter anyway because I didn't know what switches were at the time, but still. So, if you remember on my channel, if you're pretty early on my channel, you remember my upgrading my keyboard series, which that I'm gonna continue because that's what I'm gonna do now. But I'm just debating between something. I will say it in the video, so just stay tuned for there because I'm not gonna say it now. This person is built so high. That went great. Two teams on us, not one but two. They are not going for each other at all. Oh my gosh, this game sucks. This game is terrible. And then the only downside to this keyboard is, well, besides it being black so that the color, the RGB isn't that great, the only downside to it is that it like has pretty much little to no RGB modes. Like the keyboard that the old keyboard has like I think 120, not to mention its customizable thing like non-feature lit, what's that word? I can't think of what it's called, but the program that usually comes with keyboards so that you can customize it, it doesn't have that. But the thing is, it has it like on the keyboard itself, so technically it has infinite amount of color things, but it has like 120 like distinct where it puts it on there. But this one only has like 8. I have no idea why that is at all. Maybe they just changed the way that the RGB is, or maybe that only comes in the white mode. But it's okay because I only really got this keyboard for sound. Don't care about the RGB. I paid very little attention to that. Don't get me wrong, it's a great feature, like it's a great added plus, but the thing is, it's definitely not the reason I would get a keyboard. We don't speak of that last game. I did not think their team was gonna come back. But like I was saying, usually it's the other way around. Like people buy the keyboard for the RGB and the sound is an added bonus. But I don't know, I'm like the complete opposite. I prefer like quality and gameplay rather than just the looks of it itself. Because just by the way it plays, like while you're really playing, are you really gonna be looking down at your keyboard like, oh, this is some nice RGB? I mean, some people do, but the thing is, you're mainly just going to be focusing on what you're doing, not what it looks like. I actually got the Diamonds Bank, let's go. A full review on this keyboard is coming out. That's going to be with the upgrading my keyboard. So that's going to be more of a review video than it is going to be upgrading. You'll see what I'm talking about at the end. Because like I said, I still need to make this decision. So like, Gray is completely distracted and has no idea that I'm over here. Now they noticed. This bed is... Yep, this bed's fine. That really sucks. I do hate doing this to people. Like, I hate whenever two teams come... Oh my god. I do hate it whenever two teams come for us. Like, so I don't like to do it to other people. But the thing is, we're the only person that took out our rush until now. So, like, there's nothing real I can really do. Also, don't mind Eva just in the background. Oh, and red's breaking in. Oh no, this is not good. And they have a sharp iron. Oh no. Oh god. Oh my god. And they're pretty. Oh no. Yeah. I've been playing with this keyboard for like an hour or so, I want to say. And first of all, I love the way it feels. It's so smooth, but I'm still not used to it, so I'm playing a lot worse. Don't get me wrong, that's just me being bad. The keyboard has like very little to do with it, but it definitely makes just, even if it's literally a tiny bit of an impact, everyone is so sweaty now, so like it just makes it harder. Red is goose chasing gray, so I don't know if anyone's at their bed. I'm gonna go for them. Okay, nice. Their teammate is following them, so no one's at their bed. If they see me, they might void. They probably will, but I think I have enough time. I think I have barely enough time. Yeah, I should have just an open, one voided. So, oh, and that's the good one. Okay, I might be able to take them. I just don't have sharp. Okay, they didn't buy sharp iron. I have a chance, I can do this. If I go right here so they don't hit me off, then I should be able to get them here. And their teammate died. Oh no, this is not good at all. Okay, I got their bed. I'm running. And I'm dead. Okay, we're actually gonna lose this game because Pro Gamer 1928 is a telebrigger, not a telebridger, a telebrigger, as they said there. So we kind of lost. I'm doing terrible right now, but I'm gonna count on Orchestra to bring me up because I barely lose on Orchestra because it's just such an amazing map. A lot of people hate Orchestra, but it's my favorite map 100%. Like, a lot of maps are coming close to being my favorite, but nothing can definitely beat Orchestra at all. I'm dead. Everything about Orchestra is perfect. I love that it's an 8 iron rush, so it's a fast rush. I love, he's gonna block trap me, I don't have any blocks. I love the iron speed. I just love everything about it. I feel like it's a great pace. Like, it's very easy to get to middle, which that's not that great because some people will rush M's and get obby. But the thing is, I feel like this map is like really goodly spread out. He's trying to block trap me. What was he? Okay, you do that. So it's a great distance from your base to the diamond gen, and then the diamond gen to the other base, then from middle to the other bases, middle to diamond gen. It's just, I just love it so much. And there goes our bed. That's not great at all. He seriously went invis and cross map us. What kind of person? Who? Okay. Out of all the teams, why us? There's blue literally next to them. There's red literally next to them. There's next to blue. There's white literally next to green. Every team except us. We're literally the team furthest away. Okay. I'm gonna go for white here. I don't have a pickaxe. This probably isn't smart. That person is good and that person is terrible. So as long as that person doesn't turn back, I should be alright. They don't notice me, neither does their teammate. I just need a pick and I should be good. I don't even need to spend my emeralds right now. I just need to get a good pick, but I will get jumped just in case. You never know. The nons that are like 6 stars, they could be, I don't know, someone like Bombies on an ult. You never know. But just by their placing the bed, I hate this trap so much. Oh my gosh. Just by the way they're placing the bed defense, I don't think they're very great. Okay, their teammate voided. I really don't want to fight their teammate, but if I have to. Okay. And got the bed. Okay, now I just need to leave. I'm definitely glad I bought jump. That was definitely the right call. Alright, I'm just gonna get pots and 2 jumps. I probably should have gotten a pearl since I fall so much or I get hit off, but it's alright. Anyways, back to the keyboard. Okay, the only downside that it is to it, also, so I got it on Amazon for $22. It's really a good deal. The only downside is it's lubed, and sometimes I don't like the lube on like the shift key because here's the sound of me pressing the shift key. Keep in mind this is really far away from my mic. You can hear it's like an actual button I can press, but here's the I need to fight this guy first. Oh, and his teammate's coming. Okay, I have to get out of here if I want to make it out alive. Okay, and then the sound of me pressing the shift key on this one, it doesn't make a sound, and if my thumb touches it, oh, They didn't even, okay. I have to run. Whenever my thumb touches it, it's like it doesn't even touch it because it's so soft and like so, I don't know. It's just, I can't tell. Is he gonna fireball? No. I can barely tell whenever it's pressing. Like, okay, listen, it doesn't make a single sound, listen. Literally, it made zero sound at all. Whether my other keyboard, it doesn't matter about how loud it is. It's just like, it's a fact that it feels like a button I can press. Both of these people are in, oh, this is white team. Okay, well, I should be fine. Both of them are in leather armor. That's one, and then the second one is gone. I can still definitely win this. Green's right there. I'm gonna go invis. I don't know why they have jump. They went invis too. One person that went invis on. Okay, is he tracking me? Don't know. No, he's not. I don't know why he went invis, but alright. Oh wait, green doesn't have a bed. Oh, that was so stupid of me. I didn't know that. That's why he went invis. Oh, well, that makes a lot more sense. I just wasted my invis. Alright, so red and blue, only ones left with a bed, at least. Green might be a problem, but I should be fine. I think green's gonna rush someone, though. I don't know why they would just go invis without a reason. So they're probably rushing someone, but I don't see any beds broken, so I don't know. Red and blue and fighting are fighting very intensely. I don't have invis. This isn't smart to go in. Let me get invis, and then I'll probably go in. I might have just wasted my jump, but it's alright. Wait, actually, no, I didn't. I see green blocks moving over there. Yep, both greens are over here. I can take them in a 2v1. I have... Oh, they potted up. Oh, no, I can't. I can't take this. I can't take this fight. I haven't hit them once. Unless I can knockback stick. No, there's nothing I can... I'm dead. 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 One more game. I don't think I've won a single game, so I'm not stopping until I win. At least I know that means that they're not very great. I probably can just... Yeah, he doesn't even... He doesn't care. He's seen too much. Oh, that was close. And let's go. I don't even care that I died. At least I got the bed. I really could have won the last game though. It's just I don't know. I guess I would have lost anyway because green was really good. Yeah, I don't think there was really any way I could have won. I mean, the only thing is if they didn't have pots, I definitely could have. I could have had a chance. I don't know if I would have won, but I definitely would have had a chance. Alright, Aqua's... I actually died to that? Wow. This recording is gonna be so long. I swear. It's 25 minutes right now and this game is just starting. Oh wait, I haven't uploaded in so long. I never got to announce this. I dropped new merch like a week ago or so. It looks like this. Let me know. You don't have to buy it, just check it out. Just like look at it. Because the views help like my analytics because then it gets recommended on more. So tell me what you think of it. I'm pretty proud of it. And I like it a lot. Invis, another invis. Okay, I'm coming. One's breaking. Oh, this is not good. Yeah, that could have gone terribly. Alright, someone is right there. I saw someone jump, unless I'm deluded. Yep, I was right. I knew I saw someone. That's actually a really good hiding spot. I would not have noticed them if I didn't see that. Why is everyone just a final in this game? Also, my channel is pretty dead. I've been getting like 40 views. Honestly, I still don't care. I don't do it for views. I do it because it's a fun hobby. And if I'm gonna be playing Bed Wars, I might as well record it, you know? Plus, for the people that do love my content, I'm not just gonna stop because that's the thing about YouTubers who stop because their views aren't doing good. I get if you stop because if you're going, like, it's just not fun to you anymore, or if you're going through mental stuff. Oh. And there goes our bed. That's not great. Saying, I get it if you go through like mental stuff and it's just not fun to you anymore because trust me, I've thought about quitting a lot of times, more than you think. And But if you stop just because your views are low, I have lost all respect for you, because no matter like how many views you get, let's say you have 100,000 subscribers, yet you only get 1,000 views. So that's like what, I don't feel like doing math right now. That's like not even 1% of your subscribers. That's like 0.01, right? But if you think about that in another way, that's 1,000 people that love your content. That's your 1,000 people that you're viewing it to every time. So even though I have 300 subscribers and like only 40 people are watching, I know a lot of those 40 people, they like enjoy what I'm posting, so I'm not just gonna stop. Look at me, motivational speaking. She paid me $60 for this. Watch me be on the next TED Talk. I swear I'm changing lives out here. Alright, so it's just one green. It's simply just one. If I lose this, I'm quitting bedwars. Like, honestly, if we actually lose this. Okay, there goes Eva. She got him to 1 heart. That's sad. Okay, hopefully I can do this. They're on a bridge. I don't think my silverfish would... If I fell, oh my gosh. My silverfish just traveled the world. Wait. Oh, no. Bruh. Do silverfish not do knockback? Bruh. I hate this game. Alright, well, I win. There's simply nothing you can do besides spawn golems, which I don't think you have. And let's go. Okay, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm glad I actually had a topic to talk about. Like, I never have any video ideas. I have a couple now though, so I should be uploading a little bit more. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Keyboard content coming soon, because I'm gonna do the review and I'm gonna do the upgrading. And hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Have a great day. Goodbye.